Hi Will, I just want to update you about my work in the spreadsheet. Some of our entries here I cannot find their domain site. For example, like this one in the row 213. When I search it, the result is their account. Mimi Turner, New York, Mimi Turner. Mimi Turner and her company name. So I search again in Google to find their domain, and the result is still their LinkedIn account. Same. And when I click this, the results still their account. So what I did is I copy their profile link and attach in their company name. And for now, I leave it blank. Please advise. Thanks.